Greetings everyone, JJ here from SchoolofTrade.com, and we're talking about the important markets that we trade every day in our live trade room. Here's a video on the crude oil futures market, one of our favorites. And of course, let's go through a simple exercise to get to know the crude oil market. Well, first of all, who trades it? Well, futures traders, scalpers, day traders, position traders, swing traders, pretty much traders of all types, shapes and sizes, new traders, old traders. Everyone's going to be able to get some action off the crude oil futures market. What does the market look like? Well, it's a medium volume market, so it's not going to be a high volume market like the S&P or the Euro stocks or the bonds or the notes. It's not going to be a low volume market like the dollar index or the YM or the Russell. It's going to be kind of right in the middle, about a medium volume market. It has times of very light volume, so you're going to want to be careful about that. It has very wide trading ranges, which is one of the reasons why we like the crude oil so much. And of course, we can watch the dollar index futures for the correlation of it. Okay, so it's a medium volume market. Sometimes going to get kind of light and thin in the volume, so be careful about that. Very wide ranges, and of course we watch the dollar index correlation. Where does it trade? Well, it trades both in the pit and electronically on the CME group. Now, it used to be a member of the NYMEX, but of course NYMEX was just absorbed by the CME group, so now it's on the CME group. It's 10 bucks a tick. The symbol is CL, Charlie Larry, CL, and it expires monthly. This is very different. Crude oil futures, guys, off the CME, formerly NYMEX, expires monthly as opposed to quarterly or semi-monthly like gold and the E-minis. All right, one of the best times to trade this. Well, the pit opens up at 9 o'clock. It closes at 2:30 Eastern time, but it's open 23 hours a day. Very unique, right? Whenever we have electronically traded markets that also have a pit, we're going to have the pit open up at 9 o'clock and then close at 2:30. But remember, guys, this is electronically traded, which means 23 hours a day, 23 and a half hours a day, it's going to be open trading electronically, which means some of the best times to trade this market are going to be at the European Open at 3 a.m. Eastern time, and of course the U.S. pre-market and the U.S. Open, which starts about 7:30 a.m. and trades all the way through 12 o'clock noon Eastern Standard Time. So it's got the pit opened up and electronic trading as well, which means you can pretty much trade this thing 24 hours a day. Now, why do traders like this market? Right? Why do traders like us, why do we enjoy trading this market so much? Well, first of all, it's an early morning market, which means whether you're a European trader, Eastern Asian trader, you're in Australia, you're in the West Coast of the U.S., the East Coast of the U.S., a lot of traders like early morning trading because it fits their personality, it fits their lifestyle. It also gives us wide trading ranges, right? If you compare the crude oil to the S&P, right, you're going to see a much wider trading range, which means, of course, more potential for profits. It's also very active. There's lots of patterns every day. It's tied to the dollar, which means we can use that correlation very easily. Of course, we talk about that in our live trade all the time. And it moves a lot more than the S&P. So a lot of people that are coming from a market like maybe the S&P, they've tried trading in the past, and they start learning how to trade crude oil futures, the first thing they notice is, wow, this moves a whole lot more than the E-mini S&P. So it's a great market to know, guys. Let's recap. One of our favorite markets, guys, crude oil. Symbol is CL. It's 10 bucks a tick. Lots of patterns, lots of opportunities. It's an early morning market, so of course we can get in, make our money, and get done early. And we also like to watch the crude oil with the dollar index futures. And of course, we talk about that every day in our live trade rooms. Come out and join us. Now, if you want more information about this market, the crude oil, there's a link in the description that will take you right to the exchange website. So click on the link in the description, and that will take you right to the exchange website where you can find out even more information about crude oil futures. My name is JJ from SchoolofTrade.com. We'll see you guys in the next video next time.